Hello guys, I'm Uday Kumar. In this video we're going to see about how to create a Tinker using Python. First of all we are importing a Tinker and we're giving a title as calculator, and we're using geometry as 500 into 500 to create a window, and we're using a label one, and this label one we are using the text as calculator, and in this calculator we are using a color as red and font as Arial and size is 40 to create this calculator. And in label 2 we are using number one, and this number one color is blue, and for giving font as times new Roman and size is 20, and using grid of function to set a post set to set a number one is in the correct position in num1 equal to int var we are using here to and we are using box one, and then box one we're giving text as number num1, and in num1 color is blue and font is 20, and we also using here is in a grid function to set the box in the correct position, and we're using table 3 here, and then same as text you're using number name number 2, and the number 2 the color is blue and font is new times new Roman and the size is 20, and you're also using here as a grid function to set a correct position in number 2, and we are using num equal to int var, and we're using box 2, and text equal to num2, and this color is blue and this color font is 20, and we're also using the same grid function to set a position in a correct to set the box in the correct position, and we're using def add function to give a calculation, and we're using plus minus and multiplication division and modulus function, so that we're using a def add function. In the def add function we are using a total equal to num1 dot get off and plus num2 dot get off, and we're using the result and we get to get a result using a text equal to result, and we're using a button to get a result using a button to text button like text equal to plus and command equal to and is the text plus is color is the red, and background color is black, and font is 16 and width is 4, and using grid function. In grid function you are setting a plus in the correct position like this, that position, as well as the same as def subtraction and def division, multiplication and division modulus function as well as same, and using a and we have to, so after the using this you have to close the window to create a windows start main loop function. After this we have to run the program, and we have to, and after we running we get like this tinker window. In this window we can select any number. In number 1 we give 100, and number 2 we give 100 and select plus function, we get 200 if we plus we give addition, if we give minus we get 0, if we give multiplication we get 10,000, we give division we get 1.0, if we get we click modulus we get 0. This is the calculator, simple calculator. And next we are going to see about how to create a login function. Login, in this coding we have to import a tinker, and we have to import a tinker plus message box to pop up. This video is giving a geometry as 500 and 300 for user. We are giving a username as office, and password is this is zero of OFF123 hash, and Caronio, and his password is CAC123, and Joel and Sam 123, and we are fixing the login and password here, and username equal to string and password password equal to string bar, and using is label 0 equal to text. Yeah, and in this label 0 we are giving a text is a label login here, and this login here we are giving a color as red and font as Arial and size is 40, like this. And we are using a greet function to set a position, to set a login here position in a correct, to set a login here in a correct position. And using label one function to label function, this label function using a text as a the username and giving a color as blue and font as 20, like this. And we are using a greet function to set a position, to set a username in a correct position. And using in the label 2, and in this label 2 we are using a test as password. And this, and in this password we are using a color as blue, like this, and for font is 20. And in this label 2 you are also using a greet function. You are using a greet function to set a password in a correct position. In text box 1 in text box 1 you're using a text variable as username, and using a color as blue and 20. In text box 1 we are using a row, we are using a greet function because to set a box in a correct position. And we are using a text box window in it pass 1 as a blue, and this pass 1 we are using a blue color, and font is 20. And text box dot greet you are using it to set a correct position with this box. After this we have to log, we are giving it a def log. In this def log function we are using a for loop function to check the to check the username and password is correct or wrong, whether it is. If this username is correct, we are getting a pop-up message as a login here. So if the login is successful, we are getting a pop-up message as like login successful. If it is login is wrong, we are getting an invalid username and password. And we are closing the pop-up message, and by using def close function. And we are using a button one b1 equal to text. In this b1 we are using a text as login, and font is Arial and size is 10, and command equal to log and blue, and color is blue, and background color is blue, and color is white. We can run after this. After using this, we have to close the Tinkercad Tinker, so that we using a window dot main loop. Now we can check this. We give username as Karunya, and password as CSE123. After giving this, we have to give a login button, and we get a pop-up message as login successful, and give OK and close this. Next, we are going to see about user registration form. For that, we are using a for that we are importing a Tinker and also a combo box, and we are using a geometry as 1500 and 800, and title, and give a title label. In this title label 1 title label text, we are using a text as user registration form, and this user registration form is in blue color, and this font as time new Roman, and its size is 20. We are using a grid function to set up to set a user registration form in correct position. This labels we are using a text as name, and font as Arial and 20, like this. We are using a name and a form to get a username, and using grid function to set a name in a correct position. We are giving a name as a string var of, and we are giving it a text box as a text variable equal to name, and it's giving a color as blue, and font is 20, font size is 20. And we are also giving a grid function to set a text box in correct position. Here we are using label equal to label of window, text equal to gender. We are giving a gender, and as the color is we are giving a color for gender as sorry, we are giving a color font for gender as Arial and the size is 20, and we're using grid function here because of to set a gender in a correct question in Tinker, and we're using data equal to varchar and the data is at set of 0, and we're using R1 is a radio button because we are using here we have to choosing we are male or female. To choose a male or female, you are using a radio button. First one we are using a male and and variable equal data and value equal to male. And next we are using a R2 and radio button of window. Text equal to female and variable equal to data and value equal to female. For the radio one, we are using a grid function to set a position to set a male in the correct position, and we are using a R2 R2 dot grid off to set a female in a correct position, and we are using L2 equal to label of window command text equal to country and width equal to 20 and font Arial equal and font is Arial and 20 size is 20, like this. We are using country and we are getting a text box like this, and we are using a grid function. We use a grid function to set a correct position in the country. Getting that there, and we are using s1 equal to string var of function, and we are using combo box because we are choosing a country like this: India, America, Canada, Singapore. Like this, we have to choose so that we are using a India, America, Canada, and Singapore. Like this, value is equal to India, America, Canada, and Singapore, and text variable equal to s1. For that, we are using a grid function to set a comma box and a correct position in the tick inter, and we are using a label equal to label of window comma text equal to hobbies. We are next we are asking about hobbies like playing, gaming, and photography and movies. So that we are using a uh, label equal to label of Windows text to hobbies, and in this hobby we are using a font as Arial and size is 20, and we are using grid function to set hobbies and correct position in the tick inter, and we are using a v1 equal to int var and v2 equal to int var of function, v3 equal to int var of function, v4 equal to int var of function. Like that we are choosing set of 0 set of 0, like this we are choosing, and we are saying a c1 equal to check button equal to check button of window text playing of variable 1 and text but c2 equal to check button text as gaming and variable 2, c3 equal to check button with text equal to photography variable 3, and c4 equal to check button text equal to movies variable 4, and we are using grid function for this c1 to c4 to get a correct question in a tick inter. Like this we are choosing playing, gaming, and photography and movies, and we are using and we getting an output as name, gender, and country, and we using if function next we are using a b equal to button of window command text submit. We are using a submit button to submit the registration form, so that we are using a b equal to button of window command text submit and command fund, and we are giving a submit as white color and background as blue color, and we're giving a submit as font size as Arial and size as 12, and we are giving a grid function to set a submit in the correct position and tick inter. After finishing this, we have to close the uh, Tinkinter window, so that we are using a main loop of function. Now we can check the user registration form. We are giving the name as Uday Kumar, and we're giving a gender as male, and choosing the country, and like America, India, Canada, Singapore, we're choosing India. And hobbies as playing gaming, like movies. And we giving submit button. After submit button, we are getting a output as like this. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching.